Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our large gripper tools. Now this tool is going to be handling a wide variety of various door sizes, and the operators need to be able to access the tool from both sides. So in order to accommodate this, we equip the whole tool with a handlebar extension that is normally locked, but when you pull the trigger, it can be relocated in any angle, and then will automatically lock again. To accommodate the different door sizes, the whole tool has been equipped with these manual adjustment slides. Use the locators on top to set your height. Once they touch down, you're ready to clamp. For more product videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit aimcomanufacturing.com. Thanks for watching.